Alright guys, so we have to see about one more important type of tree. There are a lot of types of tree guys, called as binary tree, binary search tree, AVL tree. So you have a lot of types of trees, but we are going to concentrate much on binary tree and binary search tree because those are very important. Even when you go for technical interviews or coding contests, binary tree is something which you should know, right? So a binary tree, what do you mean by a binary tree? A binary tree is a tree which will at most have two nodes. Okay, at most it should have two nodes. Each, not two node. I could say two children. Okay, that's the perfect way of defining it. Each node, each node will or should have. Okay, each node should have only two children. I mean, at most two children. Okay, should have at most two children. It can also have zero children, one children, but at most two children only. You can't have three children. Let's say an example. This is A, B, C, and D, E, F, G. This is a binary tree. Okay, this is definitely a binary tree because you can see each node have at most two children, right? I can have one more binary tree. This is also a binary tree, okay, because here also each node have at most two children. Since this node has only one children, but it's okay. You can have 0, 1 and 2. This is the permissible count, so you can have one children, but at most you should have two children only, right? I can have one more. You can have any element inside the node. That doesn't matter. That depends upon your wish. Okay, is this a binary tree? Definitely not, right? Because you have three children here. For a particular node you have three children, so this is not a binary tree. Okay, this is not a binary tree, so this goes for a toss. So you have only I mean, with this example you have two binary trees, right? So that's how you have to identify a binary tree, right? And the next important topic that I wish to talk here is traversal of a binary tree, right? Something important. Traversal of a binary tree. Okay, right. Traversal means visiting each node at least one time. Visiting each node at least one time. Okay, so you have to traverse through the tree. Like we have traversed through the linked list, traverse through the array. So we have to traverse through the binary tree, which means that we have to visit each node at least one time, right? Okay, only for one times actually. Okay, visiting each node for one time, right? So yeah, so we have three types of traversal in case of binary trees. One is called as this will also work for binary search trees. We'll also do that. Okay, one is called as pre-order traversal, right? Another one is called as post-order traversal, and another one is called as in-order traversal, right? Okay, so let me explain what is pre-order, post-order, and in-order. These words, pre, post, and in, these prefixes, they refer to the root node. Okay, remember that they refer to the root node. This is a hint to remember this. They always refer to the root node. Okay, because the root node is kept as a reference. Always, right? Okay, super. So pre-order traversal means it's pre. So you have to visit the root node first. Okay, let me call the root node as P, guys. Please remember this throughout this course. I'm gonna call the root node as P. Okay, which means primary node. Okay, P. So root, when I say P, that is the root node, right? So you have to, when I say pre-order, wait a minute. Yeah. When I say pre-order, you have to visit the root node, that is P first. You have to visit that first. Then the left-hand side nodes and the right-hand side nodes. You can. There is only two possibilities, right? You can have left-hand and right-hand in case of binary tree, right? This is left-hand side nodes and this is right-hand side nodes, right? So left nodes and right nodes. But since it is pre-order, you have to first visit the root node, then left node and right node. So you can remember like this PLR, right? P refers to the root node. Okay, don't forget that. Here I am taking it as root node. Of course, you can take it in any way you like, right? So post means you have to post means something after, right? So you have to visit the root node at last. So first you visit the left node, after that you visit the right node, and after that you go for the root node. Okay, so post, this is called post order traversal, LRP. In order means first visit the left node, after that go for the root node, after that go for the right node, right? So that's called as in order traversal. These are the basic uh, types of traversal. You can also have a level order traversal, and that is very simple, okay, and we are not going to use that much, right? Yeah, I think in my upcoming videos I'll be explaining this traversal algorithms, right? Thanks a lot.